Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name's Ash. Welcome to my channel, Saved by an Angel, where I talk about anything that has to do with paranormal, weird stuff, and self-improvement. Because in 2014, I tried to take my life and Archangel Michael appeared. In this video, I'm going to talk about shrooms and the connection to quantum physics. This subject came to me when I was having a discussion with my Cambo facilitator that I had a couple days ago, and it was something I always wondered, and it never came to me until just the other day, and I wanted to share this with you because I find it to be fascinating. This is just my opinion. If you're new to my channel, you have no idea who this crazy guy on your screen is talking. In 2014, I attempted to take my life and Archangel Michael appeared, and ever since then I've had all kinds of outer body experiences, visitations from angels, Jesus, Lucifer, all this kind of stuff, right? And so this is just my opinion, but I was thinking for a long time, because ever since 2015 I started working with shamans and using plant medicine, right? And so throughout periods of time I've used magic mushrooms as a way to open up my heart, right? And I found it to be extremely effective. I haven't really been using them for the last couple of years, but one thing that I noticed after a while, I would start doing meditations on my own. And one thing I would notice is that I would often leave and go out into space. And what I would notice is that my body would become freezing cold. Anytime I do shrooms, regardless of if I'm doing a meditation and I'm like astral traveling out in space, I feel my body's really cold. Now, here's how I link this. I can't recall if it was Dr. Joe Dispenza or Greg Braden, but one of these well-known scientists were talking about a quantum physics experiment where they took a guy, took a blood sample, drove it 7 miles, because it was in the States, miles away, right? Then they inject this dude with a stress hormone, and then they take a blood sample from him, and they test again after they gave this guy the stress hormone. They test that blood, right? And what they realized was that the stress hormone going in the dude affected the blood that was 7 miles away instantaneously. So they're saying time and space is an illusion, and your cells in your body are affected by their environment, and your cells are constantly connected. So what I realized, what came to me about the connection to magic mushrooms and quantum physics, when we put this medicine into our body, our energy body is going more into the astral realm. And what that means is our energy is now being affected by the environment, which is cold, because out in space, I recall leaving my body many times and floating around in the stars, it's extremely cold. And so that's why our body may feel cold to yourself. I don't know, maybe this is just me. I don't know if everyone feels cold when they're doing it, but it's something I notice, and I'm definitely always out in space. So if you notice it too, then maybe that's why your body gets cold as well. That's all I got. Thought it was interesting. Thanks for watching. Take care.